Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove table in Excel. So select this old table and press delete key on keyboard. This way you can remove table. And guys, if you try to remove just by selecting and pressing backspace or delete key, so table will be not removed like this. You can delete text but you can't delete table. So to delete this table properly, you have to select this old table like this and now press delete key on keyboard. So this way you can delete a table in Excel. Thanks for watching.